My name is LaJuan Jones. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making heavenly hash, which is another dessert handed down through my family, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. The ingredients for heavenly hash include 2 16-ounce containers of Cool Whip, 2 to 3 packages of Jello pistachio, 1 can each of fruit cocktail, pineapple, mandarin oranges, and peaches, which I sliced, fresh red seedless grapes, which have also been sliced, and 2 kiwi for garnish on top, and approximately a half bag of colored mini marshmallows. We'll begin by putting our Cool Whip in a large bowl. You can add more or less Cool Whip depending on the amount of heavenly hash you want to make. Next, we'll add the Jello pistachio pudding. The more pistachio pudding you add, the greener and sweeter the heavenly hash will be. I'm going to begin by adding 2 packages of the pistachio pudding. To get it a little greener, I'm going to go ahead and add the 3rd package of pistachio pudding. Since this is St. Patrick's Day, you want to get the heavenly hash good and green, so I'm going to go ahead and add a 4th package of pistachio pudding. So for today's heavenly hash, we're using 4 packages instead of 3. We've completed mixing in the pistachio pudding. We mixed it well by stirring from the bottom. Now we will simply add all of our ingredients, beginning with our fruit. This fruit cocktail, this is our pineapple, mandarin oranges, and a can of peaches, which have been sliced. And stir well all the ingredients. Next, we get to add our marshmallows. You can add as many marshmallows as you like. I usually add about half a bag. And if you're wondering where to buy colored mini marshmallows, I bought these at Dollar General. The entire bag was only $1. The marshmallows just give it a fun, joyful color. That's what makes this such a wonderful springtime dessert. Lastly, stir in the fresh fruit. As I mentioned, our fresh fruit for today is red seedless grapes, which I have sliced. But you can add in whatever is your family's favorite fruit, maybe blueberries or strawberries. Next, I like to add a little sliced kiwi on top as garnish. Sometimes my mother would also add cherries as garnish. Whatever you like for the occasion will be great. Here is our finished product. Beautiful, isn't it? If you want to save calories, you can use light Cool Whip instead of the regular Cool Whip. And you can also use canned fruit, which is unsweetened or has been packed in water. Thank you for watching my tutorial. If you enjoyed it, remember to subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you and have a blessed day.